Did Instagram suddenly stop showing which reels your friends like? You're not imagining it. This feature sometimes disappears. In this video, I'll show you every reason it happens and how to fix it. First, Instagram often tests features in different regions. That means some users temporarily lose certain options. Luckily, there are several fixes you can try. First, update your Instagram app. Updates often restore missing features. Next, fully close the app and reopen it. On Android, clear the app cache. Old cache data can hide certain interface elements. If that doesn't work, reinstall the app. But the next fix is what solves it for most people. Check your activity and privacy settings. If activity visibility is off, some social indicators disappear. Switch to the following feed. This sometimes refreshes social signals like likes. Try logging out and back into your account. This refreshes your account data from Instagram servers. Some professional accounts see different UI layouts. Try switching account type and switching back. If your friends have private activity settings, their likes won't show. Instagram now gives users more control over visible activity. In some regions, Instagram is removing this feature entirely. They regularly redesign social features to improve privacy. You can still see what friends interact with by checking shared posts. The Explore page still reflects what your friends engage with. Quick recap. Update the app, clear cache, or reinstall. Check privacy and activity settings. Log out and back in. And remember, Instagram may be testing removal. Comment if this worked for you. Follow for more quick social media fixes. Stay updated, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.